welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will give you tips on gaining relevant work-related experience. Let's get started. You need a job to get experience, and you need the experience to get a job. We know it can be one of the most frustrating things when looking for a job. Even though there are entry-level jobs where you don't need any experience, it is your prerogative to want to go for another position. Fortunately, there are different ways that you can gain work-related experience. 1. Networking. When it comes to gaining work-related experience, networking is key. Your friends, family, or neighbors can help you get in touch with an organization where you can gain experience. Even an acquaintance can introduce you. Therefore, you should get the word out and let your network help you. However, networking can take up a lot of your time. Therefore, if you want to put things in motion a bit faster, you should go out on the hunt yourself. And it doesn't have to be challenging to find a place where you can gain relevant work experience. A few places are clubs, sororities, religious houses, etc. 2. Type of work. Before looking for a place to get work-related experience, it is important to determine what kind of experience you would like to gain. Of course, the experience should be relevant to the position that you would be pursuing. For example, if you want to fill a financial position, becoming a treasurer at the club is a right way to gain some hands-on relevant experience. In this case, it doesn't matter what club it is. It could be a chess club, senior citizens club, or a religious house. Working in the kitchen is also a way to gain work experience, but in this case, it will not be relevant work experience. Therefore, you should keep the position you're gaining experience for in mind when asking to volunteer. So, as you can hear, the organization is less important than the actual work that you're going to do. 3. Get creative. If there isn't an organization you can volunteer at, then it's time for you to get creative. Help people around you by doing the type of work you would like to gain experience in. For example, you want to work in IT. Help the people around you with their computer problems. Document everything you do so you know exactly what you're experiencing, and you can put it down on your resume as experience gained during your spare time. All in all, there is always a way to gain relevant work experience. You just have to network, be persuasive, get creative, and don't give up. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.